think everybody should have a little Bachan in their life. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're going to be making some chicken wings, and we're not going to be making just ordinary chicken wings. We will be seasoning them, putting a little bit of cornstarch on them to get a little bit of dryness on that skin so we get some crispy wings. But we're going to add one other element of flavor to these chicken wings. Bachan's was kind enough to send me a couple samples of their Japanese barbecue sauce. And this one will be the original Japanese barbecue sauce. Another flavor that they sent me was their hot and spicy version. Now, they did not send me the other flavor, so I went out and bought it, but I am definitely going to include it anyways in this video because I really wanted to try this. This one is called the Yuzu, and if I'm not mistaken, from other YouTubers that have reviewed this particular flavor, I do believe it has a lemony type flavor to it, but you know what? We're going to get this all figured out because we're going to make chicken wings and we're going to put all three of these barbecue sauces on them. All right, let's get to prepping these wings. I bought whole chicken wings, and I'm going to cut the drums and flats off of the little chickeny tip thing, and I won't show that on camera, but when I'm done separating the flats from the drums, I will bring them out here and I will show you how to get them all seasoned up and get that cornstarch on them to help that skin dry out. All right, let's get to making these chicken wings. Okay, I got these wings all cut and separated. I got them separated into the flats and into the drums. Now we're going to put on our seasoning and our cornstarch, and the cornstarch will reactively, scientifically act with the chicken skin, and somehow it ends up drying it out even more. I did pat these down inside, so they are pretty dry right now, but we will be mixing in the cornstarch along with our seasoning. All right, let's get to mixing them in. First, we're going to do our flats. Okay, first we're going to add the cornstarch. A good rule of thumb is 1 tablespoon of cornstarch for every 6 wings that you have. I'm just going to eyeball it. All right, now we're just going to put your favorite barbecue rub on there. Doesn't matter what you use, whatever you like. You're going to get your lid. Some people use a big Ziploc bag. I happen to have this bowl with the lid, so I'm going to do it that way. And just get to shaking. And there you have it. I'll put a little bit more seasoning on them after I get them up here on the grill. Okay, now for the drums. I'm just going to do half at one time since they're so big. Perfect coating. All right, I'll get the rest done and I'll bring it back when it's time to put them on the smoker. Okay, we're going to be rocking the Z grills for these chicken wings. And I got the chicken wings over there all ready to go. We're gonna get this smoker going at 225. I want to let them run for about an hour so we get some smoke on these wings. And then once they reach 165 degrees, we're gonna crank the smoker up to about 400. See if we can get this skin crisped up to even more than it will be. All right, let me get the smoker heated up to 225. All right, we're ready to rock and roll. I added more seasoning to the chicken wings. Let's get these on. There you go. A lot of goodness right there. All right, we'll get this closed up for about an hour, and I'll bring it back in an hour and we'll check on them and see how they're doing. All right, everybody, it's been 1 hour. Let's check on these wings. Oh, they are looking very, very good. Oh yeah, these wings are looking very, very good. Let's give them a quick temp, see where we're at. All right, we're at about 146 for the drums. And we're about 160-ish for the flats. All right, I'm gonna leave them on a little bit longer, and when I come back, it'll be time to sauce them. All right, it's time to get all these sauced up. I'm gonna be taking 6 drums and 6 flats for each flavor. Okay, first up, the original Japanese barbecue sauce. And now I'll get them in a bowl so we can keep them separate. Okay, I'll go rinse this out and I'll be back. Okay, for this one, we're going to be using the hot and spicy. This one's going to be very good, I can already tell. Oh, I can smell the spice in that one. Okay, we'll get these shooken up. Get them dumped in our bowl. Get back in there. All right, I'll go rinse it out and we'll do the last flavor. I'm going to tell you right now, that spicy one smells frickin' delicious. All right, let's get the last of the wings in the bowl for the last flavor. All right, this one's going to be the yuzu, if I'm pronouncing it correctly. All 3 of these flavors smell delicious. Ah, lost one. Okay, here we have it. We have our original Japanese barbecue sauce. We have our hot and spicy Japanese barbecue sauce. And we have the yuzu flavored Japanese barbecue sauce. We're going to get the smoker cranked up to 400 degrees, crisping up the skin, get them cooked the rest of the way. All right, when I get the smoker up to 400 degrees, I'll bring you back. Okay, we're almost at 400. Let's get these wings on. I'm going to try to keep them separate here so I know what flavor is what. Okay, we got them all in there. Let's let them cook for about 30 minutes and we'll be back to check on them. Man, those wings are cooking up fiercely. Look at all that smoke. I got a feeling that these wings are going to taste very good. I'm very anxious to try all 3 of these flavors of sauce. All right, it's been 10 minutes. Let's see what they look like. Oh, and you can hear them sizzling. Great color on these wings. Awesome, awesome color. All right, I'm going to give them a baste real quick. Oh, those look fantastic. All right, next to hot and spicy. And next the yuzu. All right, now we're going to give these a flip. Okay, let's give them a little bit more sauce. All right, let's give them a quick temp. All right, we're around the 180 mark. All right, we're going to let them go another 15 minutes. All right, everybody, I brought the wings in. Let's give these a taste test. I'll tell you what, that barbecue sauce gave it a nice color. And right now, this one is going to be the original barbecue sauce. The original Japanese barbecue sauce. All right, let's try it. That has some good flavor. Got a hint of soy and some teriyaki in there. Man, you can't go wrong with this one. This is the original one. It's awesome. All right, the next one is the one I've been waiting for. This is going to be the hot and spicy. Again, great color. Let's give this a taste. Oh, that is fantastic. It's got a very hint of spice on there. You can feel it on your tongue. Nothing overwhelming by any means. But that is a perfect amount of spice. Bachan's, you got this one right. I don't have to go in for a dunk. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh my God, it tastes fantastic. All right, the next one is the yuzu. Some people have said it has a lemony taste to it. Let's see what it's got. And there's the yuzu. I'm liking this one too. This is totally different than the other two. I don't know if it tastes lemony because I've had the other two, but it definitely has its own taste to it. Very good. Let me give it a dunk and see if it makes a difference. All right, let's see. Yeah, now I can taste that citrusy lemon type part of the flavor. Also fantastic. I'm really liking all three of these. All right, everybody. In my opinion, you cannot go wrong with these barbecue sauces. Whether you marinate your chicken, your meat, whatever you use it with, or just put it on while it's after it's cooked on the grill or while it's cooking on the grill. Fantastic choices. I highly recommend all three of these flavors. They do make a gluten-free, which I did not try. I just tried out their main flavors, and I'm telling you what, that original, that hot and spicy, and that yuzu Japanese barbecue sauce, Bachan's, you hit it out of the park. I want to thank Bachan's for sending me their barbecue sauces. Anybody that's new here, please consider subscribing if you like what I do. And to all my regular subscribers, I thank you so much for watching. And as I always say, if I can cook it, you can cook it. Stop making boring food. Take care, everybody, and I will definitely catch you on the next one. Yeah, I'm really liking all these flavors, but I'm telling you what, that hot and spicy one, that is my favorite. It's awesome.